Robot vacuums can be a costly investment, but these early Prime Day deals will help take a hefty amount off your total spend. These early Prime Day deals offer significant savings on some of the best robot vacuums available. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a powerful vacuum mop combo, or a high-end model with advanced features, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on these limited-time discounts to upgrade your cleaning routine with a top-notch robot vacuum. With a new robot vacuum, having a breezy, relaxed summer with fewer cleaning responsibilities could be on the horizon. We've curated the best vacuum cleaners at their lowest prices, offering deals you don't want to miss out on. Take advantage of these offers to ensure a cleaner home with less effort, making your summer more enjoyable and stress-free. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Narwal Freo X Ultra was $1,399, now $999. The Narwal Freo X Ultra is now priced at $999, a $400 discount on Amazon. This model is equipped with smart vacuuming and mopping features, including a tangle-free brush and a base station that auto-empties dust and exchanges clean and dirty water. The Narwal Freo X Ultra also offers advanced AI navigation and real-time mapping, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-end, low-maintenance cleaning solution. Number 8. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus was $1,099, now $899. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, now $899, is one of the best robot vacuums, particularly for avoiding pet poop. This model offers great obstacle avoidance, deep clean mopping, powerful vacuuming, and intelligent lifting of mop pads when going over carpets to prevent them from getting wet. After cleaning, the vacuum heads back to the base station to auto-empty its dust and debris. The Roomba J7 Plus also features advanced navigation and smart mapping, allowing you to customize cleaning schedules and areas. Number 7. Roborock S7 Max Ultra was $1,299, now $799. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra is available at a $500 discount ahead of Prime Day, now priced at $799. This model is one of the best self-cleaning robot vacuums, offering both vacuuming and mopping with great quality. It features an impressive base station that auto-empties dust, fills the vacuum's tank with clean water, and empties used water into the dirty water tank. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra also features sonic mopping technology, which scrubs floors up to 3,000 times per minute, ensuring a deep clean. This model is perfect for those who want top-notch cleaning quality with minimal manual intervention. The substantial discount makes it an excellent choice for buyers seeking a high-end, low-maintenance cleaning solution. Number 6. Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni was $1,099, now $639. The Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni, now priced at $639, is one of the best options for saving time on both vacuuming and mopping. This robot vacuum comes with a large base station that allows the robot to auto-empty its dust and manage clean and dirty water tanks for mopping. It mops floors with hot water, holds dust for up to 75 days before needing a new bag, and offers incredibly powerful suction. This model also features advanced AI and visual recognition technology, ensuring precise cleaning and effective obstacle avoidance. This makes the Deebot T20 Omni a premium choice for those seeking a comprehensive and efficient cleaning solution. The significant discount makes it an attractive option for those wanting a high-end robot vacuum at a more affordable price. Its robust features ensure thorough and efficient cleaning, making it ideal for maintaining a spotless home. Number 5. Roborock Q8 Max Plus was $819, now $519. Ahead of Prime Day, the Roborock Q8 Max Plus in white is reduced by $300, bringing its price to $519. This affordable robot vacuum offers strong 5,500 Pascal suction power, an auto-empty base station for dust, and highly customizable mopping capabilities with over 30 unique water flow levels. It also maps quickly and avoids obstacles effectively with reactive technology obstacle avoidance. The Q8 Max Plus is designed for larger homes, providing extensive coverage and thorough cleaning. This deal provides a significant discount on a top-tier model, making it an excellent investment for maintaining a clean home with minimal effort. Its combination of powerful suction and advanced navigation makes it a standout choice in the market. The Q8 Max Plus is perfect for those looking to upgrade their cleaning routine with a reliable and efficient robot vacuum. Number 4. Roborock Q5 Pro Plus was $699, now $379. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus is available at a limited early Prime Day price of $379, down from $699. This model offers impressive 5,500 Pascal suction power, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, and excellent obstacle avoidance. While you need to manually swap out the water for mopping tasks, the vacuum auto-empties its dust and debris into the charging base station. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus also features advanced navigation and mapping technology, ensuring efficient cleaning routes and minimal missed spots. This model is perfect for those looking for a high-quality vacuum with both vacuuming and mopping capabilities. Its advanced features and significant discount make it an attractive option for buyers seeking a versatile and powerful cleaning solution. The Q5 Pro Plus is ideal for those wanting a high-quality vacuum at a more affordable price. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra was $599, now $294. The Shark AI Ultra, released within the past year, is already seeing a major 50% discount ahead of Prime Day. This model features a matrix clean crisscross pattern to ensure no spots are missed, powerful suction on both hard floors and carpets, and accurate mapping and obstacle avoidance. This deal also includes a 60-day bagless base station for the vacuum to auto-empty itself, reducing maintenance significantly. The Shark AI Ultra also boasts an IQ navigation system that intelligently maps your home, ensuring every corner is cleaned efficiently. The self-emptying base makes it ideal for busy households or those who prefer a hands-off approach to cleaning. Number 2. Wyze Robot Vacuum was $299, now $239. The Wyze Robot Vacuum is now available for $239, a $60 discount ahead of Prime Day. This newer model offers the same 2,100 Pascal suction power as its predecessor, which was highly regarded for hard floors. The updated model includes additional features, such as quick mapping with 7 sensors, customizable maps with no-go zones and virtual walls, and the ability to return to charge in the middle of a clean. The Wyze Robot Vacuum also includes a HEPA filter, making it a great option for those with allergies. This deal is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine with a smart, efficient robot vacuum at a more affordable price. Its combination of advanced features and affordability makes it an excellent choice for tech-savvy buyers. Number 1. iLife V3s Pro was $159, now $99. If you have pets and are on a budget, the iLife V3s Pro is the best robot vacuum you can buy. This model is known for its superb cleaning quality for pet hair, dirt, cereal, and more at such a low price. It features a low-profile design, making it easy to clean under furniture, and has tangle-free technology specifically designed to pick up pet hair. Although it has a smaller battery and is slower to clean than other robot vacuums, the $60 discount for Prime members makes these minor drawbacks easy to overlook. The V3s Pro still provides a thorough cleaning, making it an excellent value for pet owners and budget-conscious buyers. This vacuum is ideal for those who want an efficient, budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product deals and recommendations.